Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to clean your copper pot. First, gather your supplies. You'll need salt, white vinegar, and a soft cloth or sponge. Make sure your copper pot is completely cool and empty before you begin. It's crucial to avoid using any abrasive scrubbers or harsh chemicals, as these can easily scratch and damage the beautiful copper surface. Gentle care is key to maintaining its luster. For a natural and effective cleaning solution, mix equal parts table salt and white vinegar to form a paste. Apply this paste directly onto the tarnished areas of your copper pot using a soft cloth. Gently rub in small circular motions to lift the grime. Another excellent natural option is a paste made from lemon juice and baking soda, which works wonders on light tarnish. If you encounter more stubborn tarnish, try simmering your copper pot in water with about 1/4 cup of white vinegar for a few minutes. For a truly professional and lasting shine, consider using a specialized commercial copper cleaner, following the product's instructions carefully. After any cleaning method, always rinse your pot thoroughly with warm water and dry it immediately to prevent water spots. To keep your copper pots looking their best, make regular cleaning a habit. This prevents heavy tarnish from building up, making future cleaning much easier. Always store your copperware in a dry environment to minimize oxidation and maintain its beautiful sheen. For those interested in more than just clean pots, check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other great deals. It's a book that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.